We're here today in Utah at the Meadow Hot Springs. We're pretty much in the middle of nowhere.
There's a Flowerhorn in there.
Are you serious?
No way! Oh, there he is.
Oh, there's the Flowerhorn.
There's the Flowerhorn.
6 a.m. here in Utah. We are on our way to go find these Meadow hot springs. We've heard about thousands of fish swimming in this secret hot spring location. We're about a 3-hour drive from here in Kanab. Yanni.
Hey.
We got Tyler.
It's time.
It is time. This is like our 3rd straight day of waking up at 6 a.m. Yo, Yanni, what are you doing?
Dude just walks out, ready to go, and leaves his wallet here. Like, good thing he's got us, because I could just travel back to Chicago as Yanni, I guess.
Sun isn't even up yet. We have beautiful pink sky though. You left the hotel room without like half your crap, Yanni.
First of all, don't put that camera in my face until I have my breakfast sandwich from McDonald's. Second of all, open the car.
Second of all,
I woke up in the middle of the night last night, and Yanni's just absolutely sawing logs. Sounds like a monkey in his sleep. And it took me like half an hour to fall asleep.
You know, man, I don't even feel bad because I don't know what any of that means. Where are you from where people talk like that? It's like a different language. Do you have my wallet?
Yes, we have your wallet. We grabbed it when in the hotel room. You forgot it.
This kid.
Update, we're driving down this dirt road. We're pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Hold up, do you see that? It's a guy on a... There's like actual cowboys out here. You can see it on the map. We're close now. And whoa, it's bumpy. Dude, I don't even know if this is safe to drive. Some big holes in the road here. All right, looks like we made it. We're pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Apparently this place can get kind of busy, so we came super early this morning because we wanted to have the place to ourselves. One of my subscribers DM'd me. He told me that I had to come check this place out because supposedly these chain of hot springs are full of hundreds of aquarium fish. So let's go check it out. There's 3 hot springs here, and I believe this is the first. Wow. Yo. Dude! Look how many fish there are! Whoa!
We got a blue one right here. That thing is sick.
Yanni! Come here. Check this out. What are you doing?
What's here, guys?
Dude! No way! It's fish, dude! Oh my god! You're a YouTuber with fish! Isn't that pretty sick?
All right, guys, so this is a natural made hot springs. It's totally safe to swim in, so let's go grab the snorkeling gear and hop in, get some footage.
Dude, there's a Flowerhorn in there. There's a Flowerhorn in there.
No way.
Yeah, I'm serious.
If there's a Flowerhorn in there?
Right there. There's a couple, actually, I think.
Are you serious? There is a massive Flowerhorn. You aren't kidding.
No, I wasn't lying.
It's probably like a foot long. Flowerhorn. It doesn't have much color. Can you see it? All right, guys, let's put on the snorkeling equipment, get inside.
how's the water?
It's warm. It's like lukewarm. Wow. There are so
many fish in there. Guys, there's like hundreds, if not thousands of fish just swimming all inside of here. It's not by accident. Somebody must have put all of these fish in here, or at least a few fish in here at some point, and then they must have started breeding like crazy, because these are all fish that you see in our home aquariums. Stuff like jewel cichlids, tons of guppies. There's some Oscars in there. We saw flowerhorn. Like, some aquarium enthusiast is probably just coming here and every once in a while releasing a fish or two.
In terms of the temperature, it's literally perfect for aquarium fish, and the size is great. So any fish that's in here is, I would consider a lucky fish. It's probably paradise for them.
And over here, you'll see like there's this tide pool section, and this, look right here, tons of little baby fish. And that's probably because this is the perfect environment for these fish to lay their eggs and hatch in peace. It's honestly no wonder that there are so many of these fish in here. Okay, so right under this ledge, we saw a massive flowerhorn, and it lives right under these rocks right here.
Flowerhorn is likely the biggest fish in here. He's like the king of the jungle. Like, he's just running show in this pond. It's paradise. He probably eats and does as he pleases.
He probably eats like 50 of these small fish a day.
For those of you who don't know what a flowerhorn is, it's basically just a hybrid between a bunch of different types of cichlid fish. This entire hot spring is sort of like a science experiment full of these different types of hybrids between all of the different fish that you're seeing. And it's very important that I mention, this is exactly why you should not ever release any of your aquarium fish into your local waterways. Oftentimes your aquarium fish can actually become invasive species and completely destroy ecosystems. It's happened many times before, and it becomes a massive problem. I wanted to make sure you guys realize that this place is a situation where obviously this hot spring is completely isolated. It's basically a standalone pool of water, and the fish are never going to be able to get out, and they won't be able to spread. So yeah, if you don't want your aquarium fish, do not release it. Take it back to any fish store. I promise you they will gladly accept it.
All right, so here's the story of this place. This entire property is privately owned, and luckily the owner who owns this land is nice enough to leave all of these springs open to the public for everyone to enjoy.
Which is really nice, because a lot of people, it looks like, just come here to sit in the hot springs. It's warm water and probably chill with the fish, but it looks like a good spot to just kind of come and hang out. I'd assume it's mostly just local people. They must just not have a lot of hot tubs around here or something, so they just come here and chill in the...
I'm pretty sure this is a really popular local gathering spot for everybody. And yeah, just shout out to
shout out to the land, man.
Shout out to the landowner.
And shout out to today's video sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes for creative and curious people to learn new skills.
Do they have anything for me?
You can learn about literally anything from web design to illustration. Yanni, you'd probably like some of their business and entrepreneurship classes.
Well, lately I have had a lot of free time.
So I just took a course called Drone Photography by Dale McManus, where he showed me some cool new techniques to get the kinds of shots that you're seeing right now in this video.
We do look pretty good at that angle.
Regular Skillshare is less than $10 a month, but the first 1,000 people who click on my link down in my description will get a free trial to premium Skillshare.
Could I use that too?
Yep, all you gotta do is click on that link down below.
Well, they better hurry up, George, because today I'm gonna learn the trumpet, and tomorrow, who knows, Kung Fu.
All right, some other visitors just showed up. We're gonna ask them if they have any food to feed the fish.
Hi.
Oh, wait.
Do you guys have any food? Leftover food?
Some bread, some wheat thins.
We'll take it. It's for the fish.
It's not for me.
See how they react.
Wait, I kind of want to see this.
You want to see it? I don't know. I would assume these fish are really hungry, like they'd go after it 100%. But yeah, you throw it right in the middle so all of the fish. Wow, look at that. We're feeding the fish. Maybe go get it. That's crazy. Dude, that's nuts.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, there's the flowerhorn.
There's the flowerhorn. There's two.
No.
There's two? Yeah, I think.
Here they come, here they come.
Flowerhorns?
Here they come, dude, right there.
Wow, dude, there's more than one flowerhorn. There's like a herd of them. Can you see them from up there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's like 4 or 5 of them in there.
Dude, it's like they're chasing. Here they come. There's 4. All right, guys, there's some more people now showing up, so I think that's our cue to head out. But this was really fun, really cool thing. Shout out to McKay Mays for the cool hidden spot here in Utah. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a like. It really helps me out. Also, let me know what you thought. Comment down below. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I have
A members only video from this trip. The rest of this week, we hung out some of my good friends from Utah. We did some really fun things like shooting the tube over in Salt Lake City. So if you're interested in seeing that video, it's in my community tab. It costs a few bucks a month to become a member, and you get all of my behind the scenes from these trips.
that does it for this one, guys. We'll see you in the next one. But until then, remember to keep those nitrates low. George out.